Aba. Aba. Hello, Aba. So today mag-Mystery Manila kami with all the boys. So it's a comeback na gagawin namin kasi last time hindi namin natapos. Hindi rin namin ma-figure out.
We finished it last.
Yeah, with a lot of clues. So ngayon dapat magka-comeback kami. What can you say?
Madali lang kasi matali.
Liga Nicole, mag-Korean dessert muna tayo.
It's 2:20. 2:09 now. We have to be there in 10 minutes.
Go inside this house to try and help investigate this
Stranger
disappearance.
Things.
Now, as soon as you go in, strange noises started to occur. Little did you know it was Bill all along trying to communicate with you from another dimension. Unfortunately, a vile monster has attempted his escape and is now chasing him. Bill has 50 minutes until he gets captured and trapped by the vile monster. So, friends of Bill, do you guys have what it takes to help Bill out?
15 minutes lang.
50 minutes.
5-0.
Yes.
Lalabas
Oh,
yung
yes.
monster kapag hindi natin.
Let's try it again. Do you guys have what it takes to help Bill out?
Ito yung monster.
Yes!
Yes, let's go!
So, let's proceed.
Aba, are you ready?
Yun yung monster yung nakalabas na pala yung monster.
Stranger Things. No cell phones and other electronic devices on your person.
Wala pa nangyayari.
Wala pa.
Huwag ka mandayan.
Ikaw ng daya, yung pinakita lang sa ChatGPT na tumingin on everywhere. We didn't see anything.
Ayan yung nag-miss natin.
Huh?
This is
Number you got from the waffle, the egos, subtract it for the number you get from that one.
Kaya nakalagay.
Minus that one.
Kasi yun.
It's talking about the dots.
That's confusing. That's misleading. That's misleading.
Okay, thank you.
Ano minus ano 2786.
Minus 802. That's misleading. That doesn't...
Ay, papa.
Ano nakalagay?
Hindi naman. Huwag lang daw.
Wow! Seno eh!
Ano nakalagay?
na?
Yung kabila.
Try mo pa ganon. Try mo pa sideways. Try mo pa sideways, Rafa. Try mo pa sideways.
Patingin.
Yuns. Yung isa pa. Incoherent. Try mo.
Wait, ito up po, may up arrow. Saan?
Y. Ang nakikita ko Y-U-U-N.
Why? Baka yun yung answer.
Y-U-U-N-Y.
Basi, Y-U-U-N-Y.
I think it's not. Y-U-U-N-Y. Wait lang.
Y-U-N-Y.
Oh, then what is supposed to...
Aba, come here.
Ito yung bato.
No, it was supposed to say that there was no...
Grabe, nandyan.
Hindi. Check. X ang sabihin nun.
Oh, baka yung 2 sa...
Baka yung taas lang.
Huwag kayo magkuklo. Andito na tayo. Malapit na tayo.
Y-U-U-N-Y.
Go. Aba, basti. Tingin letters. Rafa, isa pa ulit. Punta tayo.
Ayoko kaya. 9,000.
Gusto daw niyang dog sa birthday. Gusto niya malaking dog.
Kasi ano birthday mo? Saan 2040 ba? Punta sa hall ba?
Bebe, explain us like
Baka masakit, no? Masakit, masakit. Okay. We clocked it into coverage.
Pupunta sa tabi ko, hindi ko sige picture ko. Picture kayo lahat. Luis, isang picture lang sige na with everyone. With Alba. One. Pakitanggal yung tissue. One. Smile. One. Luis. Basi. Anong wait lang?
Wow, look at this.
That's my
Hello, Alba.
I'm done. Bye-bye.
Picturean mo, Papa.
Grabe,
Spill
what is
siya. I
this?
can already tell this was spill.
Bizet ito, for it. Sakto nasa bungad pa. Tas lapit lang sa amin. Para sa akin, siguro love niya talaga ako. Kaya sa akin yan. Sarap naman. Ito yung nasa utak ko. Sir! Binigyan ko ito speaker for you to do that. Yes. Sir, thank you sir for your service, sir. Thank you for the service of your nation.